Wind energy plays a key role in the transition to clean energy, and one country in particular has pioneered this development. In Denmark, more than 40% of the total energy consumption is delivered by wind power. And today, Denmark is the global hub for wind energy innovation and development. Here, you will find some of the world's leading wind energy companies and the leading university research in wind power, DTU Wind Energy.
For a first-coming wind energy engineer, the excitement actually starts before you even land to Copenhagen Airport. Close to landing, you can actually see all those beautiful offshore wind farms by the shore of Copenhagen, and I was lucky enough to work with one of them, so that was really great.
I love the idea that you can extract energy from the air moving over the landscape. Wind energy is participating in a very competitive energy generation market, so it's important that wind energy becomes more and more cost-effective, more and more reliable and efficient. So a lot of our research is driven by that. We have meteorologists, we have electrical engineers, we have structural engineers, we have many different types of competencies, and they are talking together on a daily basis. So there's a good sort of comprehensive understanding of the problems of wind energy.
DTU Wind Energy is the leading wind energy institution in the world when it comes to PhD research. And being in Denmark means both physically and academically close relations with the leading wind energy industry in the world.
DTU Wind Energy brings quite a lot of value to the work that I do here at Vestas in several ways. It is very easy to work with these guys. Our problems are taken seriously and is dealt with in a super professional manner and in a very expedite way as well.
A state-of-the-art research infrastructure supports DTU Wind Energy's research activities and provides the global wind industry with superb testing facilities and high-quality consultancy and data.
As a university, we publish papers and reports and participate in conferences, but we do more than that. We interact very closely with industry as well on the global scene. So we have projects with industrial partners, and these could be research projects, or they can also be sort of more consulting type projects. We have a Global Wind Atlas, for example, which has been seen by around 50,000 users, and around 150 users per day are looking at this data set. And the way we like to do it is not just as a kind of consultancy task. We like to get engaged in the countries where the Wind Atlas is being calculated. The Wind Atlas for South Africa has been a very interesting and successful project. It started with the need for accurate wind resource assessment for the whole country, and we've seen wind energy really taking off as a result of, or partly as a result of, this Wind Atlas project. Because of the growth in wind energy, globally we need to assess tens of thousands of turbine sites every year. And who's going to do that? Well, we need to educate the qualified engineers to be able to perform these assessments, but we also need to develop methodologies that can do the assessment more accurately. And we also need to generate data that can be used within these assessments. So there's a lot of work for us to do.